Welcome to YouTube and wala bana racha active kana passive voice. Me jira majid it gore be subscribe. In today's lesson we are going to learn about the difference between active and passive voice in English and in Toknat. Ajan dan bu ko right ne me bi ngajeno active ngu ka passive voice ngu. Ne de ngwa la ka mala lakan mala tije no ngu active ngu lo ma ka passive voice ngu lo mo ko muri de riet mishalar aran ena ka brami jaw loji eno de ku jeno dong der te ke de ku job dan der ye we de we rit ke ja eno lana mala jogo no convert this active voice into a passive voice and amuki do dan de convert ke je ke de riet ke je jen bu kon right in gwasame with examples bu kon learn no de kon read de active and passive voice gwasame the subject perform the action subject point de ke ram dan roch wa jen la dorone the subject perform the action example go cha kon mo ke che farmers sell crops and cereals. Guadame Chabenko Chawa farmers sell crops and cereals. Farmers sell crops and cereals. Ala farmer ka ne de kone lere kane waken la ken be la kok ano ken to kokene de kwaktone. Guadame ko kono gor guada and subject mendian ko chawa the subject perform the action wa subject jan madam dana dola jalet. Subject guasame a farmer guam. Farmer jela subject on guadame. Farmer a subject and obishu ngach ram dan le duaranga a farmer the kuje mo no shall active voice ram le duar ke jan gwasa mo shale di shale the subject ko changle le ola de ru changle le ola de nei bone ko en ngli te ga dobri ne ti cha da ka dupti gol chimala wato right na pan ke je right na run ke gwad bui no la kona chole ne na ti ke wale ke molka matot da te ka tar ka je we wala mo lo jok na me te ke mala chal ke batwa gurun batwa ka chang ro dien bu beni eno la te tin to mishi tar she cho ngaj bi ngaj no active voice ramadan right ni point de men la do passive voice me the subject receive the action ala subject point de lama ke jen bi je ko ne be je subject jen bi action je ko ne ano dong de ngak ngal na me e la de me le de ngungu jen tade de chika example goma an me ba convenient farmer sell crops and cereal ba jewuten ba sell crops ajen ba jako biya ngo biya jen point de subject ga tukde bi ramadan an kule la ngade la point ramro la farmer bi jen kule wiyangu ba kule wiya ramadan an jok man ku action ku jelo for form okay shared gwasme crops and cereal are sold by farmers. DNN gwasame. Tembe tit gwasame kajen active and passive voice me. Gwada dana right now ke active ala ramadana right riet ke aja ramadana le duor. Kare odo gwasame ba riet ba ka beger. Ko lar ka je ngak le de mo ki ne metene ne ke le de ngungu ki ne metene ne member talk but yet bugo rin kel be jen ka either present tense ba ka past tense ano jenen kono gwasme ala sell di sell di nen gwasme sell jene sell che benangu che bena sol cha jenan ko cha jenan ka past tense so jen dan la to ga nyok bi by bi jenen by jene gwasme la ala mu kuje convert me ajogo ku riede me kuje convert active voice into a passive voice being ajeno kanija creating kone cha gor ala de kon cholo verbs bika lelde bika yik garkan wona to kandial bika convert me a past tense dong buga nan kangu ka present tense me a present tense dong buga nan ka past tense ke buga nan ka present continuous ke past simple past continuous a we no tama mi kon linga mo bana shuwa ka tin kon wi kon ka gwama titini ke tense ne present simple present continuous past simples past continuous present perfect continuous tense past perfect awewe chan jamenen mi cha gor ka me der gwaza me active ne me active voice ne me a passive voice I make a cake make a me mi nanga passive but we are made a cake is made by me. Be definite articles binen gwatame na mishale indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. Indefinite article mishi listen na mishi gwar be jigano jen alla a me foinde wa la be kor read ka matwa ka mishal ke consonant. Ka kuje mo C a consonant. Read me toge ke consonant. Kia la kona chol ka tungna da no chere ke ban tin chik jot kien madonga ji ban tong nuare Michelle, I make a cake binambi nankangu ka past tense. A cake is made by me. Tienen. Baung by me be by bo jien ko I ba jo nyoko mo kwaje ten ba wiangu ba wiami. Name a present simples. Ka present continuous. I am making a cake. Bana je nyoko me ger kona. Bukona ka passive. Making a me ba wiangu be jana made nyok bad ba chole being ko I am a present continuous. I am making a cake. Ka passive ba chole a cake is being made by me. Past simple. I made a cake. Namata me cha past in alright a past active. I made a cake. I made a cake. Chajala ko jin subject. You are the person who is performing the action. Okay. You have the passive voice bakuloben. Be subject ni bikul wiatin kon chit ke jan bilel we subject be point je Ramadan and who is receiving jan bijin kul we action on it. Okay. I made a cake. A cake was made by me. Ala me but we are west ko chikonu kangu chikonu ka past simple. I made a cake. A cake was made by me. Past continuous. I was making a cake. A cake was being made by me. Present perfect. I have made a cake. A cake has been made by me. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been making a cake. A cake has been being made by me. Past perfect. I had made a cake. A cake had been made by me. Future simple. I will make a cake. A cake will be made by me. Future perfect. I will have made a cake. A cake will have been made by me. Tipa ikon ga LinkedIn ka duden kon de sentence de ka lat ke je. De kan ka active de nan ka passive. Ka de kan ka passive de nan ka active. Chan na men gwi. Gwasa me na me a active voice na me a passive voice, min nan kon ala kan kon jana min kan ka passive voice gwas ko kon na nan kan ka active voice ke kan kon ka active voice nan kon ka passive voice ala min kan kon ka passive voice min shaw crop and cereal are sold by farmers. Crop and cereal are sold by farmers. Angude ilara. Farmers sell crops and cereal simply. Ala gwam gorgo je subject me election gwam na mene ala farmer gwam ne je election on ka kuje mo action jen biya subject ko. Okay. Ka active voice and gwaza me ala active voice me farmer subject jen biya action on ko action take a good took de angu a subject ajen do bran en ger karudin ke farmers sons and daughters are taught about farming activity by fathers. Father teach their son and daughters about farming activity. Binan nata cha ba cha jawuch gwasamene. Farmers keep beehives. Beehives. Beehives are kept by farmers. Cow give milk. Milk is given by cows. Number 5. Daily labor in the smallest income. The smallest income is in by daily labor. Farmers sow seed on time. Seed are sown on time by farmers. We sow spices in between the onion and peppers. Spices are sown in between the onion and pepper. My uncle sow soybean every year. Every year. Soybean are sown every year by my uncle. Dinan guadame la sawame jen a present. Guadam babina sown a loche choka pass and guasamo. Last one, I write oros. Oros is written by me. Mi chungaje no mi jena la write me a person ka gwada mi we ka passive voice. Before na mishali uh, write dan but we are written ko che jen ka present tense che wo ka past participle. Ajen duwa dan an dere active voice kana passive voice dere kariet kaje. Dia waje chiro jeng motoran tama. Ko gor bi janwa nasen ko ken bi ataka mal.